Hi, I'm Francesca Neill, the official makeup artist for Collection, and today I'm here with the gorgeous Christina, who's the winner of the Be The Face competition. Today we're going to show you how to create this festive fairy tale look in a few simple steps. It's perfect for Christmas, so let's go. For this look, I'm going to apply the liquid highlighter drops to the eyelids for that super glossy finish. Next, I'm going to dust the glitter across the cheekbones and across the eyelids for that Christmas party feel. Add a touch of glitter to the lids with the Glam Crystals gel liner in Cosmic Stars, applied near the lash line to keep it subtle. To really make the eyes pop, layer on the mascara to create full fluttery lashes. A statement lip perfectly finishes this look. Berry is a huge trend this season, apply straight from the bullet for a perfect finish. So here we have it, the perfect festive fairy tale look.